Okay, so this is a tutorial about how to set up Stripe so it can be used with structured domains to collect payments and send payouts. So all you have to do is just go to stripe.com, sign up for an account, and they'll require you to have a bank account, and and then you'll get to basically this screen. Now over here you have a switch, so you can view between test data and real data and real payments. So also in the backend, in structured domains, you can specify if you want your current domain to be using a test um, account, which is basically going to be using test credit cards and test bank accounts. And I'm gonna put a link to test credit card numbers and test bank account numbers in the description, so you can test your marketplace with test data instead of real money. So all you have to do to set up Stripe, like I said, you gotta log in here, set up the account, and then you have to go to API, and you'll get right here a publishable key, test publishable key, and test secret key. And then once you switch that switch on, you'll get your real publishable live key and secret live key. And then you're going to go to structured domains. You're going to go to your default domain settings page, and you're going to go to domain settings Stripe, and you're going to put your keys right here without spaces or anything like that. So this is where you're going to put your keys right here. Once you put your keys over here, if you're going to go to domain settings payments, you're going to specify payment gateway Stripe, the currency that the Stripe account is using. Right here it says sandbox payments, so this is where you can, if you say yes, it's going to use the test Stripe, and if you say no, if you're not going to sandbox payments, it's going to use live Stripe, so it will take live credit cards and so forth. Available payout providers, you can say Stripe right here. You can also say, if you don't want to payouts to go to if you don't want payouts to going to connected accounts, basically to merchants via Stripe, you can say payments to primary account. This will make sure that all the payments that are collected in the marketplace are going to your Stripe account and are not going to the providers. If you want to pay out the providers yourself, you can use that. That's pretty much it. So just those two settings: domain settings payment and domain settings Stripe. Now over here, the other thing you'll have to do, you will have to go to connect. You will have to go to settings, and you have to make sure that you have those things filled out. And the other thing you have to go through is right here in API. So you have those publishable key and secret keys, so hopefully you have that taken care of. Right here in webhooks, you have to make sure that you're going to put this URL as an endpoint for production. So you will come here and you're going to say URL to be called. So like I said, again, this URL is going to be in the description under the video. So you're going to say click endpoint, events sent only for production, and this is the URL you want to call. And you want to do it for from connect applications. You don't need it from your main account. We only need to get events from connect applications, and this is basically used to track payouts to vendors. So like I said, you want to make sure it's set up in this way: production to this URL, and that's about it. The last thing you want to look at is payouts. You want to make sure that, so this is all test data. You want to make sure that the payout schedule is set to manual if you're going to be controlling the payouts, or you can do automatic if you want to get the money from your account automatic every day, or manual if some of the money is going to be get refunded, or if you're going to be paying out to connect providers. You want to make sure that this is set to manual, and then you can manually get money every so often. So this is important if you're going to be paying out to the providers automatically via this option. So if you're going to have this option set, if you're going to have payments to primary account set at no, and you're going to have payouts via Stripe, you want to make sure that you set this to manual. And that's about it.